Here comes Santa Claus, riding down Santa Claus Lane. Riding down Santa Claus Lane. People that you love the most, just make sure you got them close. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Day20, and I'm back with another video. But before I get started, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. And if you have already subscribed, welcome back. Thank y'all so much for coming.
Alright, move that water bottle out of the way too. Slide the piece over to you, though. Yeah.
I'm sorry, y'all. If y'all did not see my face. But it's your girl Day20, and I'm back with another video. Thumbs this video up, comment down below, and share it out. Join the membership. But I'm eating a Baconator pizza, y'all. And here it is. Let me show y'all. And I had already started the video, and I'm gonna leave everything in there. I think, I don't know. I'll think about it, but it was blurry, y'all. Sorry. Got my Parmesan cheese. Thank you, baby. Q over there, he fixed it for me. I didn't know I was blurry. But yeah, I was trying to say I was gonna see if I could eat this whole pizza by myself. But at the time I said that, the kids walked in and they smelled it. It smelled good. Q said it smelled good. They wanted the piece. But this tastes real good though. Good. It's that good. Wow. When you can find the perfect pizza, it'll blow your mind. Ooh. Oh, good. And the strips of bacon on here, y'all, they was not stingy. They was not being stingy, y'all. Look at that. Good piece of bacon. I love spicy, y'all. I want to do a channel shout out. Shout out to MUVH, y'all. If y'all don't have that channel, go over and subscribe to that channel. Tell them the Q&NiNi sent you. Want to get them monetized. And the McCrazies, they're all so close. They're so close, y'all. I could say this was like a medium pizza. If y'all haven't checked my boutique out yet, you're missing out. Go check it out on www.shopniniboutique.com. We have color meat lashes, natural meat lashes. I'll put some pictures in there. We got discount code lashes at checkout. You know how it be like, you be so hungry. And then when you start eating fast, it be over with. That's how come I'm not really that good with time, eating time with time. So good. I'm gonna say that last piece of cute since he said it smelled good. I ain't get him no fish yet. Now. Thank you, Lord. Well, all right, y'all. That's the end of this video. This was delicious. This was a Sam's pizza from Walmart. Ooh, it probably was like $5 and some change, but it's so good. Ooh. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Until next time, it's your guy Day20. I'm out. Come, baby, you want this? How you feel about that piece you got right there? For real, for real.
Real deal, deal.
Real bacon.
So great. Gotta go try it, y'all. But we buying more.
Let me see that. Y'all should have.
Here comes Santa Claus, riding down Santa Claus Lane. Riding down Santa Claus Lane. People that you love the most, just make sure you got them close. Jingle bell, jingle